Hello everyone. So in the previous video we discussed about the more Kotlin fundamentals. So in this video we'll discuss about building a scrollable list. Okay. So this is a introduction for the how to uh, of the fermentations app. So we're gonna skip this video. So you guys gonna watch it. Um, Add a scrollable list. Take the collab. So here is where we begin. Um So this is how we're going to create an app for the um, Kotlin. Okay, the scrollable app. So if we go into the deep the discussion of this data class fermentation according to the project which you have created. String resource ID and val image ID. So import Android annotation drawable resources. Import Android annotation string resources. Data class fermentation string resources value, string resources ID, and val image resources. So as we go into the data source of the Kotlin, we can see over here fun low fermentation list of the affirmations, a return a list of affirmations, R string affirmations 1 and so on to 10, and R dot drawable images 1 to so on to 10. So these are the images and these are the affirmations. So it is based on completely about how many images do you want to keep. So basically this is how it's gonna look like. So for the first image it's gonna be like I'm strong for the first image, and for the second image I believe in myself, and for the third image it's like each day is a new opportunity to grow and do a better versions of myself. So as you can give your affirmations based on your kind of images, and you can select as many as images do you want, and you can write as much as any quotes do you want as well. So create a list item card. So basically, how to create that composable fun affirmation app. Generate fun composable for that. In the main activity, import .com example affirmation model affirmation, composable fun affirmation for the affirmation. Um, so in this composable, we can see fun affirmation card for the affirmation modifier is modifier. So in this way, in the we can create the fundamental of the images as well, and we can use the text and images based on the text. Based on the images, you can write your text as well. So in the main Kotlin activity, we can see over here import Android X Compose foundation layout, fix max width. So this is the width and the size of the image so that you want to keep. uh, Import Android X UI unit DP foundation layout dot height. So in this three lines we fix the length and size of the image you want to display. So this code, this line is basically for Android import compose UI layout context scale. So this maintains the picture in the right direction, right way, and shows the image in a particular way for the user. Fun affirmation, this is a code which you have seen earlier above, and the card modifier is equal to modifier column image painter resources affirmation dot image resources ID. Content distribution string resources, because we write in the form of string, affirmation dot string resources ID. Modifier is equal to modifier fix max width. So so height can be like any wish, it might be 210 or else 120 140 dot db. Content scale dot crop. Okay, so in this thing so we can keep all the images like same size, or else you can keep each image as a different size. It's completely upon your decision. you can vary the size of the image. You can reduce the size of the image according to your wish. So if you want to show up a image like very big, you can keep that particular photo into some big size, and you can keep the photo which is below it like in a small size. Okay. So basically, so when you write the main Kotlin program, you should remember r dot string affirmation is like read dot string affirmation one, read dot drawable. So we can only read at the time of viewing the app. So we can't modify it. So we can't do anything. So it R stands for the readable. Okay. So here is a solution and there is a GitHub link. So basically, in this thing, we learned about how to uh, add a scrollable of the list in the Kotlin programming, and we can create an image and write the description for it. Based on the image, you can write your own descriptions, and we can set our width and height according to the image. Now we'll go to the change the app icon. So how does this basically work? Okay, so app icons are like your own design, so you can create as many app icons. So you can create your own app icons, so you can create your own applications, and we can create our own application display icons. So there are a few apps which are like more trendy now, like Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp. So we can't create a new logo or else new icon for that. So we can create an app, an application, and we can create our own set of icons for that particular app. Okay. Okay. So so this is a code for that. So as we can see, we have lots of options like circle, Q circles, round, square, square. So these are like different kind of options. So you want to display your application. Okay. It might be like any, so you have different set of colors, you have the different set of variations of images and everything. So based on that, you can select whatever you want to select, and you can modify your so we can see over here, it's like affirmations. So this is how you can create a logo for the or else an icon for the your application. Okay. uh, Build a grid. Before you begin, so grid is nothing but selecting a class, and so this is how a grid looks like. It shows all the applications, or else all the thing in a single frame. So we can see like in the previous affirmation, so we have created like single block which has different descriptions and different kind of images, but in this we have like all set of things together. So it has architecture, automotive, biology, craft. So as we can say, these are assorted in the form of alphabetical order. So we can keep in a way of jumble, or else we can keep by writing a code which by giving the main priority to the alphabet starting from the A and ending with the Z. Okay. In this way, we can keep the architecture, automotive, biology, crafts, business, uh, culinary, design, ecology, engineering, fashion. So it goes till Z. Okay. So this is a main data source for that architecture. So we are going with the alphabetical order, right? So we are for the architecture name, architecture string. It's kind of string. Okay. So basically everything in this string is like string, because it's kind of uh, identification for the particular thing, because we can keep here anything architecture. It might be you know, ambulance. We can keep like ambulance. So it might be anything. Okay. uh, architecture string, a craft string, business culinary. So string name is equal to the given string name, closed brackets, and architecture, it is string. So we are defining what kind of thing it is. Okay. Next thing, topic r dot string, so which is coming from this part, 58, so which is given for that, and r dot drawable architecture. So this r dot architecture gives the image of that particular architecture. Okay, so we can keep like any kind of images for that particular thing, and we need to call that. Okay, after doing these two things, at a combined of output, we get to see the output in this particular way. Okay, so here basically the 58 is nothing but the amount of data present in it. So as we can see here, photography 321. So as you click in this, you can see 321 photographs in that particular folder. Got it? So now we just try to do this quiz. Okay, adaptive launcher icons of adder consist of a foreground and background. It's true. When building an UI that requires a scrolling list with a variable number of items, which composable should you use? I think we need to go with the column, row column, or else I think we should go with the lazy column. Yep. What file type is used for the launcher icon, foreground and background vector? Is XML. Which composable should you use to create a vertical scrollable grid with an undetermined number of items? Lazy vertical grid, I guess. I guess so. The column composable is not a good option for a list of items of unknown quantity because it can only hold a small and finite number of predictions. So predefined items. Sorry, it arranges items vertically. It provides a scrollable scrolling by default without any additional code. It can add content on demand. Mm, because I think it can only hold a small and finite number of predefined items. The dash method is used to add content to a lazy column. I think items. The items method is used to add because it is a item. So on create is to create, modifier is for the modify padding, and painter is for used for the image purpose. Which composable arranges its item horizontally. Mm, horizontal is like row. Which composable arranges items vertically is like column. Yeah. So in this video we discussed about building a scrollable list, like scrollable list, change the app icon and build a grid, and we also done a small quiz. So in the upcoming video we discuss about building a beautiful app, and I'll show you the main Kotlin activity as well as how does it basically run, and we'll go it in a step by step process. Thank you so much.